Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recent, and depending what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got three buttons navigation, just tap on the button with probably the three bars icon or the square icon. Or if you've got the gestures, just like me, just swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. Of course, if you want, you can close only one of it, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them, because you've got a lot of apps opened, just tap on close all. As you can see, we just got back immediately to the homepage, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.